that you have your own privacy. It involves a certain amount of security.
There's this level of comfort.
Home is where my dog is, the color blue.
Where my bed is.
Somewhere where my mom used to cook me the spiciest curry pakoda.
Palak paneer.
Yeah, home is also where good chai is.
I'd totally say that Bangalore is my home. And that's because there are people that I live with that make it such.
To people who I feel won't judge or label me for being who I truly am.
It doesn't have to be where your family is or where you grew up. There's so many other places that can become home.
It's not about where I am per se, it's about who I'm with and if I feel like I belong there.
Honestly, I don't think that I have found my home yet.
There's a different kind of comfort that I feel in every place, and so there's different kinds of home. And I hope to always have like several homes.
Home can be a difficult concept to explain, a tricky question to answer. If our thoughts about home are so personal and complicated, how challenging must it be to create art about it in a public space? Students at the Srishti Institute of Art, Design and Technology have been exploring the idea of home with artists Akash Raj Halankar and Soumyadip Ghosh. Their intention is to create art at the Cubbon Park Metro Station as part of a collaboration with Story of Space. The entire project has formed the interim semester in December 2016.
The feeling that comes when we kind of think about home, which is it can be triggered by anything. It can be triggered by food. It can be triggered by a conversation with an old friend. So those are the memories that we cherish. So home is a physical space also, and also a psychological space.
With Srishti faculty Muniraj and Boshudara, the group has spent long hours at the metro station painting murals, constructing installations and creating sculptures. Themes have ranged from home as a digital space to the endangered birds and dying trees of Bangalore.
So through this project, we tried to show the change in Bangalore over the past few decades, how the migrant populations affected the city. One side of the lenticular art shows how Bangalore used to be before the population started coming in, while this side shows how it is today, full of concrete structures and buildings.
I definitely feel that after a month of this interim, students have not only been able to think about different solutions in terms of visualizing, but at the same time a lot of concepts have been open to them.
Documented uprooted trees which are being used, some of the uprooted trees which are being used to create our homes. So we've taken the texture of these trees and we've traced them out. And each piece has a QR code, so when you scan the QR code, you get to know where the tree is.
Our topic was home as memory. And so we asked them about, things about home, or what they miss about their home, what they remember about their home.
That last effort, of completing and executing that and burning the midnight oil, where students volunteer in order to help each other and, stop just thinking about themselves and try to think of this entire class together, which was very, very impressive.
The Festival of Stories on 21st and 22nd of the month, the class saw their creations draw attention both from the Srishti community and passengers along the metro line. Although interim has now ended, their art remains there to spark a thought or add colour to an ordinary commute.